call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
Alright y'all, welcome back. It's meal prep day and I had these in the freezer, so I'm gonna use them. So yeah, we're each gonna have a 5-ounce serving, so this is 20 ounces. That's for 4 meals, folks, not one, don't worry. Then we're gonna have some Brussel Sprouts with that. Just throw these in the microwave. And then some potato and cheese pierogies that we're gonna boil in this water soon as it boils. Okay, so that's what we're cooking. Alright, so I decided to make some Alfredo pasta tonight with this whole grain spaghetti. I'm gonna add some shrimp after I cook it, and since that's gonna be more than one night's meal, I figured I'd add that to my meal prep for eating tomorrow too. Okay. Alright, so our pierogies is starting to float. Once they all float, that means they're done. Usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Yep. Alright folks, there you go. Meal prepping's done, other than the fettuccine shrimp stuff I'm gonna cook tonight for tonight and tomorrow. But yeah, it looks yummy, right? 492 calories or 14 Weight Watchers points. Again, that's for 5 ounces of the chicken bites, 3 pierogies, and 7 freaking Brussels sprouts. We're gonna enjoy it. Hope you guys get out and get some meal prepping done. Makes things much easier. Yeah? Okay. So until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy, and go enjoy prepping your food, folks. See you later. Bye.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.